Smashing bouquet. How long have you been doing flowers?
About 6 months.
How long have you been in my class?
I've taken 3.
What did you learn?
And I've learned how to simplify at greenery. Greenery makes it work.
Are you doing flowers out of your home?
I am.
What's the name? You can advertise your company.
Peacock Petals.
Where is it?
It's in Gunner, Texas.
We have a smashing bouquet. And some really go on film. This one doesn't. It's unbelievable in real life.
Thank you.
Here she is, our youngest too. How hard was that to do?
Not that hard.
No. Beautiful. Fabulous. Really rock star. Good looking. It's gorgeous. And it's as good as anything I see anywhere. In New York, LA, or Poughkeepsie. These are all rock star good looking. This is their final project. Holy cow, you guys. Here's their materials. That's what it turns into.